Standard 10 English Grammar Articles Part 1. We know that the words a and the are called articles. Articles are actually demonstrative adjectives. They are used to point out people or things. They are used before the nouns. We use a or an only before countable nouns. There are two types of articles in English. They are definite article, the, and indefinite article, a or an. The is called the definite article because it points out a particular object or class or things. A or an is called the indefinite article because it does not point out any particular object or person or thing. We use the indefinite article a or an with singular nouns. Now, let's learn the usage of indefinite article a. We use a with singular nouns and adjectives which begin with consonant sound. It does not point out any particular or definite person or thing. For example, a snake, a parrot, a baby, a hen, a ball, a kite. We use a to refer something, that is singular nouns with consonant sound, for the first time. For example, once there lived a king in Vijayanagar. A frog jumped into the pond. We use a before a word beginning with the letter U or EU, giving the consonant sound of U or U. For example, a university, a union, a European. We use a before a word that begins with one, which has the consonant sound wa or u. For example, a 1 rupee coin, a one-way road. To represent a whole class, or in the sense of all, or any, or in the sense of every, we use a. For example, a doctor must love his patients. She visits me twice a week. We use a with singular nouns after the words what and such. For example, what a wonderful scene! She is such a smart girl. We use a before mentioning jobs that begins with consonant sound. A teacher, a doctor, a lawyer, a mechanic, a tailor. We use a before the expansion of an abbreviation, even if the abbreviation starts with vowel sound. For example, an HM is expanded as a headmaster. An SI is expanded as a sub-inspector. An SM is expanded as a station master. An FO is expanded as a forest officer. An LDC is expanded as a lower division club. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.